Look at my brother.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Hack Spot. Now, today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I think is one of the coolest things. This is super exciting. Custom Snapchat filters or lenses for augmented reality. This really opens up a whole new place for memes on a whole new level. Alright, now you can really impress people with this. And before I start, quick shout out to Everything Apple Pro. He's the one who brought this to my attention. But I found out there's a lot more to this. Endless possibilities and so many available. Let me go and show you guys what I'm talking about. So first, before we start, I would recommend that you guys have a Reddit app. So either that be Apollo or the official Reddit app. Either works, otherwise the experience could be quite cumbersome and annoying. So if you use it in the web, so I would recommend download one of these apps. So just go in and look for Reddit on the search. And yeah, so then what you want to do is click on the link that'll be down below inside the description, and it'll bring you right over here. Snap lenses. Now, there are actually two links. One is for like a test, which is easier to apply, and then this link, which has many more mods they can apply, but it takes a little bit more steps. But again, they are super simple. Don't even worry about it. All right, so this right here is the first link. Make sure that it does open up inside the Safari app, not YouTube. And once you do that, hit open Snapchat and hit open over here again. So then you'll get this pop-up right here. So you can unlock this for 24 hours. And yeah, so you basically hit the unlock button and you will have it. Now I already did it, so I don't get that button anymore. But now if I go ahead and hold down and bring this up, you guys can see that I have some. I also installed some other ones, so I'll go show you guys in a second. But let me show you guys this one first. It has sounds too, so I'm going to unmute my phone. This is the Do You Know The Way one. Let's just go ahead and put him on this iPod. And let's see if he knows the way. So I'm just going to go and bring him up, put him on the iPod.
You don't know the way. Do you know the way?
I know the way.
You have to have Ebola to know the way.
I have Ebola.
It doesn't know the way. To know the way, you need to
you
have
have to know the
Ebola. This is my name.
And anyways, let's go back over here. There's so many more. And again, the possibilities are endless because these are made by people. And then you can go in and download them. So it's pretty cool. Now again, once you click on the second link in the description, it'll bring you to this page. And again, make sure that you have Reddit or Apollo installed. Either client works. And once open, just going to open this up in there. And okay, so here we are. There's a whole separate section on Reddit, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go in and sort this by the most popular ones. So let's go in and tap on hot, or you can tap on YouTube if you want to see new ones. But yeah, anyways, let's go in and scroll down. There are so many. All right, so I'm gonna keep scrolling down. We got a Squidward one, and there's many of these guys if you want a whole group. So anyways, let me show you guys how to install this. So what you would do is click on it, and what you want to do is save the image. So tap and hold, you need the snap code, and over here, you want to look for where it says save image. Not save to files, you want to look for save image. So there you go, and once you do, there you go, image saved. And now X out of here, go into your Snapchat, go in and tap on your profile, so that icon, and over here, go in and go to add friends, and then add by snap code. So over here, the add snap code option, go and select the image. So I guys can see I already have a bunch of images saved, and I installed these ones, except for that one. I didn't install that one. So anyways, this is a new one that I just put, and there you go. Once you tap on it, it'll say unlock for 24 hours. That's the button you will get, and hit that button, and that is it. And again, same thing I'm gonna do for this one. Bam. Okay, so I think this one's broken. I tried to unlock it, but I just get this right here, nothing to see. So that one's broken. Anyways, let's go back now, and I'm going to tap and hold. Bring this up, and look at this. Now we have a whole army.
My brother, look at my brother. He's my brother. He's sitting on
I feel like this one would be a lot more annoying when sending to your friends because there's so many in the background going and stuff like that. So anyways, oh my god, we got so many. We got him in a tank. All right, we got Squidward again, and we even got Where's My Spaghetti, and we got this whole pack right here. So if you want this starter pack, let's see what we have in here. I've seen that guy's face. I forgot where he's from. I think it's some like kids show. We got a gorilla. Is that Harambe? Then we got Waluigi, Logan Paul with that stupid hat. We got Doodle Bob, and we got the alien. We got Carl from Jimmy Neutron, Shrek, and so many more. There's Somebody Touch My Spaghetti. Now, for that one, I actually tried too, because this one right here basically like puts like a picture frame, and it puts them right there, and it doesn't really, well, it has a sound, but it doesn't really move. this one right here is a lot cooler. But back over here on Reddit, it's got to be somewhere here. So we got Crash Bandicoot, and we got Thomas the Train. We got iDubbbz. There's a high mark up there, and just keep scrolling. You'll find what you want. There's some requests too. So yeah, some people's requests. Ajit Pie. I saw a bunch of those. There's a bunch of Ajit Pie. Squidward. We got some more. Oh crap, where did that one go? Where's my spaghetti? Someone took a screenshot of their photos. I think you can still scan it from here. I'm not sure. It's kind of faded. But there's that one that I wanted to show you guys. You guys could also bring back the hot dog guy. The list goes on and on and on and on. The possibility is endless. People are constantly creating these. There's new requests that people are making and other people are making. That was a weird sentence, but... oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. And yeah, so I guess I'll just put a link to this inside the description too, because it seems pretty buried down there.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Find it too. Mine's gone. And my chair is broken too.
Someone is in this house!
So anyways, if you have any favorites that you guys find, post them down in the comments. YouTube might count it as spam, which is unfortunate, but... anyways, what you do is hit the share button and hit copy, and it'll copy the link. But again, tell me this isn't the coolest thing ever. This is a whole new meme generation. We've got Sonic right there. Okay, I need this one. And over here, just tap on this. That's it. It's so easy. And you get like custom Snapchat filters or augmented reality that other people don't have. It's pretty cool. People will be like, where'd you get this from? That will really piss off some people. Oh my god, that messed up my ears. Alright, so anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. You guys definitely have to be sure to share this video. I mean, it's so cool. Anyways, check out my previous videos too, because I've been uploading a ton. And of course, subscribe for a daily dose of THS. Have a great day guys. Peace out.